the heart of Gilgit-Baltistan, a region defined by its breathtaking beauty and rugged terrain, stands an institution dedicated to shaping the future. Karakoram International University's Engineering and Technology Campus, a place where innovation meets the natural landscape and where education drives progress for the people of this land. This campus, established with a vision for the future, is a vital center of learning for the region. It is home to 3 cutting-edge engineering and technology departments: mining, civil, and electrical engineering and technology. Each plays a pivotal role in addressing the unique challenges faced by the people of Gilgit-Baltistan. A region rich in natural resources and potential has long needed specialized education to unlock its future. The people here rely on the land for their livelihoods, mining its minerals, building infrastructure in challenging terrain, and harnessing its untapped energy sources. But for too long, students had to travel far from home to gain the technical skills needed to transform this potential into progress. The establishment of this campus is not just about education, it's about empowering a region. It provides world-class engineering training right at the doorstep of the people, preparing them to tackle the challenges of today and build a better tomorrow. The mining engineering department, led by Dr. Khan Jadhoon, stands at the forefront of innovation. Equipped with state-of-the-art labs, the department offers students hands-on experience in mineral extraction and testing. More than just an academic program, it provides crucial services to the local mining industry.
The mining department is, I think, the most appropriate department which, looking at the area and the resources available here, and I think in future these resources, mineral resources which are available in the Gilgit-Baltistan region, this department will be the pioneer to develop these regions and help Gilgit-Baltistan region to develop its economy on the basis of mineral sector. It's not only department is not providing services as education as a bachelor degree in mining engineering, but also it significantly provided facilities of commercial testing to the local industry, especially construction industry, road constructions and other mineral sector industry. Frequently people contact us for commercial testing, and at very reasonable rates this commercial testing, quality testing is available at this campus.
With a region so rich in mineral resources, the Mining Engineering Department is a critical bridge between the university and the community, fostering sustainable development. The Civil Engineering and Technology Department focuses on the essential task of building resilient infrastructure in this challenging terrain. From soil testing to concrete and steel analysis, the department provides services that ensure quality construction not just for students, but for the broader community.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह जो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट है, इसके एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के साथ हमारे पास अब जो लैब्स हैं कंक्रीट की और जो सॉइल लैब्स हैं, बड़ी बेहतरीन लैब्स हैं। स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट हमारे पास लैब्स हैं जिनमें हम एसपीटी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जो हम प्लेन लोड टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जिससे सॉइल के एनालिसिस किया है। हमारे पास सारे इक्विपमेंट्स मौजूद हैं। इसके अलावा कंक्रीट और स्टील की जहाँ तक ताल्लुक़ है, कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी में हम कंप्रेशन मशीन है हमारे पास जो कि 2000 किलोमीटर तक की कैपेसिटी रखती है। और इसके अलावा यूटीएम है जिससे हम स्टील की टेस्टिंग, टेंसाइल, बेंडिंग, ये सारे टेस्ट हम कर सकते हैं। तो इनकी बदौलत हमारे पास अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बड़ी बेहतरीन फैसिलिटी है जो कि न सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को बल्कि पूरी जीबी कम्युनिटी को सर्व करेगी।
With Gilgit-Baltistan's frequent seismic activity and harsh weather, the work done in the Civil Engineering and Technology Department ensures that the region's growth is safe, sustainable, and built to last. The Electrical Engineering and Technology Department is preparing the next generation of engineers to lead Gilgit-Baltistan's energy future. With 3 advanced labs equipped with the latest technology, students here are learning how to design and innovate in electrical systems, with a focus on harnessing the region's renewable energy potential.
Gilgit-Baltistan region has a very good potential of power generation from renewable energy resources like hydro. To explore this potential as well as to fulfill the requirement of the implied NGB region, our mission is to produce electrical engineering technologies having professional attitude, highest moral values and good communication skill. Our strength is our excellent building infrastructure, well-qualified faculty, well-equipped classroom and state-of-the-art labs.
In a region rich in hydropower resources, the department is helping lay the foundation for a future built on clean, sustainable energy.
यहाँ के लैब्स बहुत अच्छे हैं जिनमें हम इलेक्ट्रिकल सिस्टम्स को सिर्फ डिज़ाइन करना नहीं सीखते, बल्कि हम इस तरह के एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस को इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे फ्यूचर ब्राइट हो।
गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के अंदर 70% जेम्स निकलते हैं। कराकोरम इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ माइनिंग इंजीनियरिंग जोमोलॉजी लैब के अंदर उन्हीं जेम्स को हम कट पॉलिश करते हैं और नहीं हम यहाँ पे थ्योरेटिकल बेस्ड हैं, इसके अलावा हम जो है वो प्रैक्टिकल काम के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक लैब इक्विपमेंट है जिसके अंदर हम जेम्स आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं। इसके अलावा मुख्तलिफ सॉफ्टवेयर हैं जो कि हम माइन डिज़ाइन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और प्रोसेसिंग के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं।
As a female civil engineer, my vision is to create sustainable and smart infrastructures that benefit communities, especially in regions like Gilgit-Baltistan. I aim to break stereotypes and bring more women into civil engineering.
Karakoram International University has established its engineering and technology campus at the cost of about 1300 million Pakistani rupees. This state-of-the-art infrastructure in lab is a great opportunity not only for teaching and learning of engineering education, but at the same time we are trying to start the research program, and above that we want to develop the strong consultancy for the different sectors including mining, construction, civil engineering, material testing, and similarly in electrical installations. We are also planning to start with the civil engineering department, and all these departments would contribute to the socio-economic development of this region. I would request all the stakeholders from the construction, mining, and electrical engineering sector that they should come as a partner with us to get the maximum benefit of all these labs and facilities which we have established at the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, which is a separate campus, as a sixth campus or fifth campus of the Karakoram International University.
Karakoram International University's Engineering and Technology campus is more than a university. It's a transformative institution for Gilgit-Baltistan. Our mission is to educate and empower the youth of this region to become leaders in their fields, solving the unique problems of this land and making a global impact. Karakoram International University's Engineering and Technology campus is a place where potential meets opportunity, where students are trained not just to succeed academically, but to serve their communities and build a brighter future for Gilgit-Baltistan. Here, the future of engineering takes shape, one innovation at a time.